Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya. Today we'll learn drawing fish with numbers. So, are you ready to dive into the underwater adventures? So, let's start. So, first with one, let's make the body of the fish. Let's add the tail, the fins, the face, and the eyes. Oh, see, the fish is smiling at you. Then, with two, let's make the fish. Oh, that is so simple. See, basically, we can draw fish with numbers, alphabets, circle, triangles. So, fish is the easiest drawing, you can say, right? And everybody knows to draw fish or likes to draw fish. And those who don't know to draw fish, you can learn from here. See, it's so simple. So, with four, we have drawn the fish. Oh, that is a cutie, right? So, with five, what can we draw? Let's see. Oh, that looks like a shark, right? Yes, that's a shark. See, so easily we can draw a shark. Let's add the teeth. Shark is complete. And now for six, let's make the eyes first. Then let's make the mouth and then the body. And then let's add the fins, the tail. Yes, our fish is ready. Let's color the fish beautifully with different colors. And do like, share, and subscribe my channel, The Magical Art with Ananya, for more such content.